budget mag drill by Vevor. I think it's like $200. This is just going to be like an unboxing, first impression video. Yeah, I have other mag drills, and this thing actually, just looking at for first time, is actually really nice. Got instruction booklet. Here's all the drill bits that it comes with. They're all millimeters, so you have to, if you use standard, you'll have to figure that one out. But it comes with 11 of them, and I bought these before. These things aren't cheap. But it's just like your standard bit with your other mag drills. I'm just curious. Ooh, that is sharp. We'll have to see how long these last. It says high-speed steel, but we'll have to see. This is a 30 millimeter. Yeah, off, on. Nope. Ooh, these handles are nice and heavy duty. Yeah, other brands I've used where the handles are aluminum, and these always strip out. Wow, look at the range on that thing. Yeah, it's nice. The other one that I own, it probably goes this high. And the other one I owned was very expensive. This drill chuck looks pretty nice too. Yeah, it is nice. Yeah, so what happens is this right here, you kind of install this like the normal broaches, and then this is just a fiction fit, and it goes right in there like that. And then you can use your twist bits. One thing that's going to be cool about having this set up is I can do all my countersinks pretty quick and fast with this, so that'd be nice. You can actually set this up as a drill press, like as have a drill press station basically, and just always have this as like in the station as a drill press. So yeah, that's nice. It also comes with this safety strap, so if you want extra insurance, or if you're putting this thing upside down and you're not trusting the magnet 100%, you can use this to strap it down to wherever. I never had any problems with them coming undone. And you got a drill chuck key, pin for your broaches, a few different Allen wrench types. Yeah, this is your feed here. And it's just a gravity feed. And this mounts right here like that. But I'm not going to use this because they just get in the way and I don't like using them. But yeah, let's see what this thing can do. So I'm going to install one of the bits. Let's see, which one should I do? This one's pretty big. I didn't know. What is this? 30 millimeter? That's a big one. Let's see here. Yeah, look at all these bits it comes with. All kinds of bits. Yeah, this was a great value at 200 bucks. And I've been dealing with these bits so long, I can tell this is about a 13. Yeah, here's the pin. The bit, you drop the pin down in here like that. With the back screws out a little bit. You can see there's a little flat spot here and a little flat spot here where the set screws come in and pinch this so it can't move. I prefer thread cutting fluid. Alright, this is a 1/2 inch plate, guys. 1/2 inch. I'm actually going to do this in the corner so I don't waste a bunch of material. And I'm also going to space this up with these 1/8" spacers. Here, let's lift it up with the magnet. Where? All right. Get a good shot of it cutting. We're gonna do this in real time, okay? Need some thread cutter. It's way more than what we needed, but whatever. All right, so we got magnet on. That was like butter, let me tell you. Butter. Nice new bit, but man, the thing didn't bog down at all. For 200 bucks, you're getting a great value here. Yeah, this is nice. Lift up that whole plate there. Yeah, here's the little piece that comes out. It's the slug. It's kind of hot, but yeah. Yeah, great value. So, if you guys are interested, in purchasing this, I'll put a link in the below, and you can go on TikTok and buy it from the TikTok shop, and I get a small percentage of your purchase, so it supports me and my channel too, and I much appreciate it. Yeah, this is, I mean, for $200 you can't beat this. This is value for sure. Now I'll have to do a different video with using this setup. So yeah, this is a great value. All right, and if you like and subscribe, that's bonus points. Appreciate it. See you guys next time.